Hi guys, welcome. It's Leah and today I thought we would talk about Roccabox. So this is a beauty subscription box. This is the February edition and it costs £10 a month. Take a look at their website. It gives you all the information that you actually do need on there. Very easy. This is what's inside. So you get a little leaflet and these are the goodies. So let's have a look one by one. I am going to be popping my glasses on because I would imagine there's going to be a bit of reading to do. Okie dokie, so in no particular order, the first thing I see is a sample of perfume. This is called Sarah Jessica Parker Lovely Perfume. Now a beloved classic, Sarah Jessica Parker Lovely brings together elements of innocence, refined sophistication to capture a timeless and ageless fragrance. Lovely is a soft, powdery, discreet, intimate fragrance like a silky white amber. The fragrance is modern and very charming. So I actually got some of this from my grandson for Christmas. So I know that it smells absolutely gorgeous. I am doing a giveaway and once I hit 50 subscribers, we'll talk about how you can apply for the giveaway and everything you need to know for it. So I will be popping that into the giveaway box. Okay, next item. Whoopsie. We have Charles Worthington shampoo. Charles Worthington conditioner. Sorry, is that a bit close? Focus. Okay, so Charles Worthington Volume and Bounce. These are full size at £5.99. Whether boosted from the roots or given bounce and body in the mid-length, some of the most glamorous red carpet styles rely on volume for serious impact. This ultra-light volume boosting shampoo effectively removes impurities and build-ups that can lead hair to look flat. Price at £5.99 each for 250ml. Okay, so this one, the pink one, is the shampoo. Let's have a smell. Very nice. That's lovely. Do you like that? But it's going in the giveaway. Give hair a lightweight 24-hour sky-high boost. And then we have the conditioner. Give hair a lightweight 24-hour sky-high boost. Let's have a smell. That very much smells like the shampoo. Very nice. Giveaway as well. Okay, and then next we have Sanctuary Spa Wet Skin Moisturizer Miracle. £8 is the full price. This unique way of moisturizing is clinically proven to lock moisture, doubling the hydration for instantly softer and smoother skin. Soaking instantly into the skin, this ultra light and non-greasy moisturizer infused with apricot oil and avocado oil. To use in the shower when skin is wet, do not rinse off. Available at Boots. Price shown is for 200 mils for £8. So clearly this is the sample size. Let's have a smell. Very nice. It's very fresh. That's very nice, but it's going in the giveaway. Okay, next we have Cougar Perfect Pout Lip Gloss, full size. This is $14.99. Perfect Pout is not just any old lip gloss. Perfect Pout has an active ingredient of Volulip. It works to increase the volume of lips, decrease anti-aging and anti-sagging effect on the lips, and improves hydration and softness of the lips. This is the full size and this is available at www.cougarbeautyproducts.com, and this is actually a full size product. I will be keeping this, so let's have a try. Okay, what does it say? Does it say how to use it? Volume and shape definition. Apply to lips evenly. Product will make lips tingle. Let's try. Oh, I don't like the smell of that. This reminds me of something. Toothpaste. I feel like this smells like toothpaste. Let's put a bit on. I'll actually blob a bit on my finger. Very shiny. I probably won't be able to speak in a minute. It's bad enough without the lip gloss. So this is supposed to obviously give you a bit of volume and shape. So we'll see. Have a look at the old lips, see if they get voluminous. Okay, so that is that. Obviously, I'll be keeping that product. Next is Tropez Purity Bronzing Water Gel. And that'll be this little beauty. I don't know if you can see that. Tropez, so it's £33 for a 200ml bottle with an uplifting tropical scent that gives you natural looking medium golden glow, up to 72 hours of skin hydration to keep your tan looking luscious. No rinse, no streaks, no transfer, and no telltale smell. Vegan friendly and made with 100% natural tannin actives. This is available at Boots, and as I said, it's £33 for 200ml. This is going to giveaway. I don't use this stuff. And with that goes the Tropez Velvet Luxe Tan Applicator Mitt, £4, available at Boots. The ultimate tannin essential for an even streak-free and easy distribution. Water-resistant barrier ensures hands remain unstained for flawless results with every application. So, giveaway. And that completes our February Roccabox. I actually quite like that. I know that obviously I only kept one item out of it, but I think the items are like really good quality, good brand names that we've all kind of heard of. You know, we've heard of Tropez, we've heard of Charles, what's his name? Worthington. I haven't particularly heard of that brand, Sanctuary Spa. I bet some of you guys maybe have though. So I kind of like the fact that I know some of these brands as opposed to the other boxes that I get and never even heard of them. So that's Sarah Jessica Parker. I've heard of that before. That is a lovely scent actually, and it actually does last. Anyway, that about wraps up my Roccabox unboxing. If you want to sign up for it, you go into www.roccabox.co.uk. Okay, so if you like this video, please give me a thumbs up, leave me a little comment, tell me if you think my lips have got fatter. Do you think it works? Probably not. Anyway, I can feel them tingling for sure. Don't taste great, but we'll see. Don't forget, like, comment, subscribe, all that good stuff, and I will see you very soon in my next video, which I'm not actually sure what I'm doing yet, but I'll have to think about it. I'm sure I'll be around at some point within a couple of days. So have yourselves a good evening, and I will speak to you very soon. Take care of yourselves. Bye.